Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little haul. I bought some makeup off of the Makeup Revolution website 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I just got the products today, and it is Valentine's Day and the packaging is so cute, it's so adorable. I mean, just look at this eyeshadow palette. I just want to eat it. I mean, look at this packaging. How can you not love these packaging? These are just so beautiful. I just want to put them on my makeup table and just look at them every day. They're so cute. Anyhow, I'm really happy with the products, and I'm really happy with the makeup look that I got today. So if you're interested in knowing how I like the products and how I achieved this look, please continue watching the video. So I got the Chocolate Rose Gold palette, and I got the Blushing Hearts Baked Blush, and then the Dragon's Heart highlighter, and then I got this blush palette. It's called the Sugar and Spice blush palette. I really wanted to try their makeup because I've heard good reviews about the products, and they're really affordable. I did order them from a website called Tam Beauty, and they shipped from the UK, so it took over 2 weeks for the products to get here, and I had to pay some import charges, but that wasn't a lot. So I'm gonna be doing an eye look using this palette. As I said, just look at the packaging, you guys. This packaging is super cute. I mean, just look at it. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this, and whoever uses these things, I don't know, I don't. So it comes with a full mirror, so that's nice. I really like that. And it smells like white chocolate. Like, I'm not even lying. It literally smells like white chocolate, and the colors are really pretty. The colors are really pretty. It has a lot of shimmer colors, and it has a lot of neutral colors. It has a pink, and I'm really excited to put the colors on my eyelids. So I'm gonna set my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me in translucent. So I'm gonna take the color O as the transition shade. I really love the palettes that give a full-size mirror. The colors are not overly pigmented, which isn't a bad thing. They're buildable. So I'm gonna take a precision crease brush and take this pink shade right here. The name is Note Yours. I'm just gonna put that in the crease. So I'm going to take a tapered blending brush and go into this reddish shade and put that in the outer 1/4 of my eye. So I'm going to take a flat shader brush and go into this shade called Barbie. It's a nice pinkish shimmer shade. Whoa, it's a really pigmented color. So these colors can be used wet as well. So I'm gonna put some Fix Plus on my brush and see how they look with the wet brush. Oh yeah, that pigment went to a completely different level with that Fix Plus. It looks beautiful. Just look at that. I mean, wow. So I'm gonna go in with the color Side Chick and put it in my outer corner and just blend it in with that golden color. I really love how that eye look came together, and I'm gonna draw a winged eyeliner with my Maybelline Master Precise. I want my eyes to pop today, so instead of going in with a darker eyeliner in my water eye, I'm going to go in with a lighter one. It's from Essence, called Extreme Lasting, and it's in the color Silky Nude. So I'm just going to lightly put that in my waterline. I'm going to use this new mascara from Tarte. It's the Lights Camera Lashes. It has a little bit of sheen to it because it is a baked blusher. The other option is the Sugar and Spice palette. It has a lot of colors which are really pretty. I'm just gonna swatch a few for you guys. So this color right here, it's a really lightly pigmented palette, which is a good thing because the blushes, if they're too pigmented, you can end up looking like a clown. So this is how that color looks on my hand. But I think I'm gonna try the Blushing Hearts blusher. So as you can see, it gave me a little bit of sheen, like I put a highlighter, and the color isn't too pigmented as well. So I really like how that looks on my face. I really like this blush so far. I also got the Dragon's Heart highlighter. It is also a baked highlighter and it has all of those beautiful colors. Try a highlighter on my cheeks. I don't know if you can see, but there is a lot of fallout, like it's really powdery. Let's see how that looks on the skin. So it is really pigmented. I mixed in these last 3 shades together and I put them on my cheeks and it gave me a nice golden kind of glow. So I really dig that. Really like how that's looking on top of that blush. Wow, that is really pigmented. And it looks really pretty as well. Put some on my nose as well. And I'm also gonna pop some on the tip of my nose with my finger. Put some on my Cupid's bow as well. I'm gonna take this shade and put the color under my brow bone. And I'm also gonna pop that same color on the inner corners of my eyes. That looks pretty. That looks really pretty, you guys. I don't know if it looks the same on camera, but in person, it looks really pretty. I'm gonna go in with the red lip. It is Wifey from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line. I'm gonna put that on my lips. And I'm gonna put some of this reddish highlight on the center of my lips. I am shockingly surprised with these palettes. I did not expect them to do so good. There is not a single product that I've used and I haven't liked in this video. Like, it's surprising even for me. I haven't used the blush palette yet, but I'm gonna be using this and I will let you guys know what I think about it. I might use this in a few future videos. In the eye palette, the colors are really pigmented. They look really amazing even if they're dry, but once you wet that brush, it takes you to a whole another level. This one is a hit for me. I really love this palette. I'm really excited to use this in the future. So I love this blush as well, and the packaging is so amazing. It's so cute. Even though it was a little powdery and it had some fallout, the end result is beautiful. I mean, look at that inner corner and my brow bone, and that cheek highlight is stunning. It makes me look so pretty. Like, I'm so happy the way I look right now. I just can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. So overall, I'm really happy with the products and I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.